Hello everyone. Our subject for today is a sea creature, an octopus. I know the reference picture is different from our sketch. Sometimes, as artists, we use our imagination to change and exaggerate expressions to suggest meaning or add actions to our drawings. So we start by applying the mesquite first all over our subject. A mesquite is a masking fluid that covers the area to prevent coloring the paper. We drop our background colors when the masking fluid is dry. Start with a drop of a very light cerulean blue at the top right, then leave a clear space followed by a mix of ultramarine blue and indigo. When the wash is applied, drop salts close to the arms area of our octopus. Drop the salts in line and few droplets of water to weaken some colors. When done, drop some salts randomly all over our painting. When everything is dry, scrape those salts out. Do not use a scraper that scratches the texture of your paper. I used a plastic card because it has a smoother edge. We want our background darker, so now we are applying the second layer wash. You may be wondering why we drop salts on our first background where we know we are going to apply the second one. There is a reason why. It still shows the texture even after we drop our second layer of wash. The look of those textures will indicate distance. Repeat the same process where we applied the first background wash, then drop more water to some areas to activate the salts. Also, we demonstrated here that we use the lifting technique to lift some colors to the water movements. Now that we established our background, it's time to remove our masking fluid. Remove it by using your fingers or an eraser. Here, we were able to lift the rubber easily, which is good. Color our octopus using the cadmium red. Start with clear water, then drop the pigment. We are painting a red giant octopus. By the way, our inspiration is Poncho. He is the giant octopus of the Georgia Aquarium, where I saw him personally. He is our reference picture for this painting. When coloring our subject, we drop from a darker red from the head lighter down to its arms. We sprinkle grains of salt to have the textures we wanted for this creature. When we have enough salts distributed to the whole area, add red and a dab of burnt sienna to some parts of our octopus, then start applying colors but lighter down to its arms. Make sure that the back of the arms is darker than the inner side. Every time each arm is painted, we also drop salts all over it. According to the Georgia Aquarium, the giant octopus has an average size of 16 feet or 4.9 meters in length from the head to the tip of the arms. An average adult weighs 132 pounds or 59 kilos. The giant octopus is the largest species of octopus with a record size of 600 pounds or 181 kilogram and a 30-foot or 7.6 1.5-meter arm span. Each arm has 2 rows of suckers and can have 250 suckers or more. That's a lot. It's time to remove the salts. After removing the salts, see how the textures give us a natural look. My favorite brushes for detailing are the 00 and the number 0 brush. These are the perfect brushes for making fine lines and details of a painting. We lift some colors under the head of the octopus to show lighter skin. Keep adding these fine lines as a branching pattern into a diminishing look, and start painting the suckers to every arm. The other technique to lift colors is the scraping technique, using a knife. I scrape some pigments at the top edge to correct the alignment of our figure. We are working on the second layer for our arms to enhance the colors. We are doing the same process as the first application. We form the suckers by using the negative technique. The negative approach means creating the form by painting around it. See this result? This is the texture we want to achieve. We also made some changes to lift colors to some parts of our subject because we wanted some highlights to the skins. We want the look of a luminous skin. We are now at the end of our simple painting subject using salts for textures. I hope you enjoy watching this painting. This is Jelly Starns. Thank you for watching.